Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, so please go and subscribe and press the notification bell so let's get started. In today's video, I am going to show you the birthday decoration. So firstly, I have placed a table on this area and I have placed a cloth on it, and I will tie this cloth from the both side. That will look neat. So guys, you can use any cloth with your color theme, and I am just tying it like this and I will pin up it after tying up. As you guys can see, both sides are tied up and it's looking really neat. You can use it of any clothes, and now I will add some decorations on it. These are made by myself. Firstly, I have cut the cardboard and then I have pasted the golden cuttings on it, which is looking really good. So this is also made by me. I am just arranging them, and I have made this beautiful flower decoration. If you want to know that how I have made these all products, tell me in comment section. I will made it again for you guys. So this is the decoration stuff. The hearts and stars are also made by me, and this all decoration just enhance the beauty. So this is how I arranged the table, and I have added one gift speaker on it and one watch. So guys, I was just thinking of that what to add more in it to enhance the beauty of this decoration. So I decided to pick up the natural flowers and just add them onto the decoration which I have made. So these are the cute flowers of pink color. I have added them on table. These were looking really nice. And these plants are just near to my house. I just came there and picked them up. Firstly, I have placed the flower on the front side of table. Then I decided to add them in the decoration which I have made, and now they are looking more beautiful. It is made like a vase, and this is the beautiful rose flower of pink and yellow color, and I am just adding in on table. So guys, I have shared many videos of birthday decoration. If you want more, then you can watch my previous videos. I will also link in description so you can go and check. So this is how the table decoration is completed, and now I will decor the background area of this table. So guys, I was making butterflies and flowers for the back decoration, and I have added the ribbons and the butterflies on the back side. So this is how the table looks, but the table was looking really empty. That's why I decided to add one shiny cloth on it. So you can see now that I have added the cloth on it, and it is looking so beautiful, and its cloth is too shiny. So guys, here I have taken a cloth and I have just waved it all around the table, and it's looking so good. So guys, now I think that the table decoration is completed, and I have added the ribbon, and I have cut it the circle shape glitter sheet, and I have pasted it over there. So guys, after adding up the vase, this decoration is looking so cool. The good vibes are coming from this decoration. I really like it. So now I have added a cute butterflies on both sides of the back wall. So this is how the whole decoration looks. So I am just making the close up of flowers and the back decoration which I have made. You can easily see it. And I have added some wine glass on the back side of the table. I really like this decoration. And you guys also do let me know in comment section that did you like this decoration, and it costs me literally nothing because I have arranged everything from my home. And you can easily take your home stuff and decorate it really well. So here are some techniques that I have shared with you guys, and I have also shared some other techniques in my previous video, so go and watch it. After that, I have bought a cake from Gourmet Bon Vivant, and this is how the cake looked like. It is a Kit Kat chocolate cake. So this is the cake. So I am just going to unbox it now. So guys, this is the cake, the main ingredient of birthday. So I have picked it on 1st October. So here I have added some snacks and some bakery items, and I have also purchased some balloons and some birthday stuff, some sprinkles. So now I will just fill the air in balloons. So now guys, it's the time to show you the bakery items which I bought from Gourmet. So first of all, I have taken a smallie from Gourmet, and it was literally very delicious. Totally recommend it from my side. You can go and try it. This video is not sponsored, but I am still sharing it with you guys. So the next thing which I have picked up is the patties, chicken cheese patties. I really like these. So guys, do tell me in comments that did you like this decoration which cost literally nothing. You can arrange everything from your home. I have picked the cake and the bakery items because it was just to eat, but the decoration literally cost nothing. If you can go to a hotel and book a hotel, that will cost you round about 2000 rupees for the decoration, and you can do it easily at your home. So as you know that I have an interest in making such kind of videos which can helpful for you guys, and I learned a lot from making videos. Hope you like this video, so share it with your friends, and do let me know in comment section which type of videos do you want me to share with you in future. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Stay tuned for more such kind of videos.